That's awesome.
Yeah, I think people deserve to see this stuff. It's really amazing. And we love art. We are huge fans of art.
We usually have a Elvis festival every year, the first weekend in August, and have Elvis tribute artists. But this year we're not having it because she's up for a big deal with the art place in Beaufort. She's one of the finalists for
Nice.
the Guggenheim Award.
Oh.
Like I say, I was in the car business. I'm a car guy.
That's it.
Alright guys, that was the Loudermilk boarding house and Elvis Museum. It was awesome. I loved it. I thought it was really cool.
Yeah, so it's just a museum. It's no longer a boarding house. It was something that was transformed into a museum. The bottom floor is more of the history. There's a lot of famous art from the Curator, and she is known as the Queen of the King. And every room
She absolutely is.
Every room is packed from floor to bottom. It's $10 a person, cash preferred, to get in, and most of the exhibit is upstairs, which is a pretty narrow staircase. So once again, kind of a recurring theme, if you're having trouble with walking, this could be a difficult situation for you to see. There's no elevators, anything like that, and it's a very small staircase, so wheelchair accessible, not really.
No.
Molly was on crutches, and she was able to walk a little bit, and that helped it. But if you can't walk at all, you're going to have trouble getting upstairs and seeing this.
Yeah, but a lot of awesome art, pictures, autographs, pretty much anything Elvis that you can think about is in there. It was a traveling museum for a long time, like in London and New York and LA, and I think they've made it home here. And it's definitely worth a try if you want to go see. If you're into Elvis, definitely go see it. It's awesome.
Absolutely. All right, thumbs up.